I am here vibing, one of the most successful and accomplished music producers and sound owners in Jamaica's music history. He's also a famed student of King Tubby's, who is widely regarded as one of the greatest musical minds in the history of the music. His parents named him Hugh James, but we know him as
REDMAN.
Father REDMAN.
Yes, I am. Bless up, bless up.
Great
Yes,
Father REDMAN.
Yes, I am.
All is well.
All is well, all is well.
Yeah, man, I'm glad for you.
If I complain, I'd throw dirt in the father's face.
Yeah, nothing to complain about.
Well compatible.
Nice, but glad to hear that.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Yeah, man, talk to us though, Father James. Early life, place of birth.
Anatown, West Kingston.
Anatown.
17D Upper West Street.
Okay, okay. Over the brothers and sisters.
I was told I was born on a Sunday on a rainy day.
How many brothers and sisters?
Let me see, you know, eight. Because, you know, brother, I count them. Fox, Coachy, Sona, Planner, Joseph. Look like about 8 brothers otherwise from me, you know.
Okay. No sister?
3.
3 sisters. And all your brothers and sisters are still alive?
No. One brother died, the biggest one.
Okay.
Bike accident out of Harborview. Mother gone 15 years, father gone 14 years.
My condolences, man. Where you attended school?
One school, you know, like it was St. Joseph, the infant.
Right.
And I left and go to Aloysius.
St. Aloysius.
And some great man come out of Aloysius.
Yeah?
That primary school is the best.
Yeah.
No other more school. The great seats.
Okay.
Early bird.
Early B.
Yeah.
St. Aloysius, and you would have left there with a grade 9?
Yeah, I left at grade 9.
At grade 9.
I left when I was 16 too.
16. Yeah, why no more school after that?
No more school.
Why though?
Huh?
Why?
Why? Me tell my mother, me's a gambler.
Is that?
And you waste your time send me to school for me not learn nothing. A gambler.
Gambler. But what was it like though, financially speaking, growing up back then?
Why? You know, so from your 5-year-old, I started to care my family.
From your 5-year-old, what were you doing to take care of the family?
Dice and all them something out of.
Gambler from your 5?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I win big money. Big money.
So your parents never tried to stop that?
My mother was a gambler.
Mother was a gambler.
And she have all the faith in this brown boy. Yeah, man.
What was so food was on the table?
Yes, man.
Yes.
I come like I'm a provider at a young tender age.
And you grew up in the same house with mommy and daddy?
Yes, man.
Okay, nice.
And you want here too? 2 room, 3 bed. We have a sleep cross with the bed. Right, sir.
For your father.
You talk about, man.
Yeah, what was it like though back then in Anatown in terms of like, you know, in recent years, Anatown has been in the news for wrong reasons, you know, as violence has plagued the area in the past. What was it like when you were growing up?
If I can tell you, my uncle, him the name Reds, and have a son named Esquire.
That is the son of mommy was a player.
Mommy that played. Badman selector.
Badman selector.
Yeah, man.
Was she the first female selector in the
Yeah.
Esquire.
Yeah, man. So, when I come out with my son, I get involved in a sound. Tubby's was my mentor.
So, or the link with Tubby's come about though?
Right, Tubby is my mentor.
Yeah.
And me and him link up from small boy days, coming up and thing. And I tell him, say, I want to put back him sound on the road. He say, yeah, though. I'm going to build a sound for you. Him start build a sound. And I say, no, I'll buy some Macintosh. I'm going to buy 9 Macintosh at $3,500 US a piece.
Which year we're talking about?
Talking about 1983.
But that's after you came back from America.
Yeah.
I want to reach to say still enough Father Redman.
Yeah.
So we are
So, him say, me deal with the sound and him deal with the producing.
Okay.
So, me want to go back to the sound.
Alright, we are old. We soon pick up at the sound part of the thing.
Yeah.
Because you said that early on, your uncle is the one that owned the square.
Yes, man.
And you grew up seeing mommy playing the sound.
Playing the sound.
Oh, so she was mixing, doing everything.
Do everything, man.
Okay. And was that the only sound in your immediate
Yeah, all the sound. For the sound, you usually sleep in the house too.
Okay. How big was that sound though?
Well, four bucks.
4 bucks.
4 bucks.
Okay. And it was 2 turntables at that time? Or
No, one
turntable?
garage turntable.
Garage. Okay.
Garage.
So seeing mommy doing that now, you would have probably fell in love with
Yeah,
that as well.
music.
But no, even before that, you started going around Tubbies, see? From, you had Tubbies on one another from you were born.
Well, Tubbies was from Central Kingston, you know.
Which was the Central?
I think he usually live, what the lane on him now? John's Lane.
Okay.
Tubbies are Central Kingston, man.
But so now you mentioned Esquire, which was your uncle's song and mommy played on. You actually played that song in your time?
Oh, me?
Yeah, Esquire.
No.
You don't ever play Esquire none at all?
No.
Because in the research it said that you started around a song called Sir Daly.
Sir Daly. That is the same Marlon Daly.
Oh.
That is the same Marlon Daly. We play jam rock and build jam rock. You understand?
Right. So where was that song located?
36 and a quarter Barrow Street.
Okay.
I usually live there too.
Oh.
Me and him grew up together.
So you started out on Sir Daly, as in you started playing the record or lift box or what? How you started out?
Well, lift box. My brother was a selector on the song.
Oh.
My bigger brother.
That's the one that you said.
And when I migrate to the state now, I continue Sir Daly up there.
So you created another Sir Daly.
Yeah.
I think you left. Are you migrated 1978? I think.
1978.
And you
17th of July.
17th of July. You settled where in the US?
Hartford, Connecticut, boy. Blessed town. I have to give thanks to that town.
Blessed town.
Yes, man.
And you said you created a version of Sir Daly in Hartford.
Hartford.
You were the one playing?
No.
Oh.
My big brother and my little brother.
Okay. Oh, so your big brother had come.
All right. You want to hear it up? My little brother, Marlon Daly did advance, but I'm finished teaching.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Yes.
I'm good for the technician thing, I'm teaching.
And when you went to the United, what led to you making that move though? What was happening that you decided to
Well, my sister they migrate and she filed for it.
Okay.
You understand? And that's how come we leave.
Apart from setting up that version of Sir Daly in the state, what were you doing for kind of, as a hustle when you reached?
Spray painting.
Oh, vehicle.
No, like for airplane and those things, you know, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Them,
You were hustling 9 to 5 time.
yes, man. Yeah, man. I gotta work 5 o'clock every morning.
Every morning.
Every morning.
You became a promoter of sorts in Connecticut.
Yeah, man.
Started putting on dances.
Put on dance.
And it was sounds in the ear, or it was sounds coming from Jamaica you were using?
No, sound from there, but I bring up artists from time to time.
Artists?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you're the first artist you bring to the US for come on.
Lil Val Thompson
Yeah, Lil Val
and
Thompson.
Tristan Palmer.
Man.
You know that combination there?
Well,
Yeah, man.
greatness that man.
Yeah, man.
And as I said that though, we could step back a little bit here, because you mentioned Esquire, you mentioned Sir Daly. Which were the other sounds in the space back then, like where you were hearing about?
All right. You had a sound named Sir Percy.
Sir Percy.
A sound named Killer Tone.
Okay.
VJ, the dub master.
Okay.
You
I
understand?
think there was a Sir George
Sir George Atomic, Jonestown.
Jonestown. Really
No,
strong.
theme bass line, you know, when theme bass line at trade go, a waka wham, a waka wham. For him have steel plate on the front,
Okay.
like downbeat. You understand?
And,
Yeah,
and,
man.
and you said Toby's son was playing back then as well.
Yeah, champion that,
Champion.
man. Champion that.
So in the States now, you became promoter of sorts. You were doing your 9 to 5. I guess you start making some money.
Yeah. Come up with a great idea and it work.
You go with that. What was the idea?
You know, we can't talk it.
Okay. I understand.
You figure it out.
Yeah, well, everything alright. Everything alright.
Yeah.
But eventually now, you decide to come back home.
Come back home, yeah.
I think you so you left 78, you'd have come back home about what, 83, 84?
Nah, man, me the back here 1981.
Yeah, early.
Early.
So you just do a thing and come back a yard.
Come back a yard. I want you to work. We may come back, me to come every weekend.
Every weekend.
Yeah, man. Fly down every weekend and go back Monday evening, man. Come cool out a yard, Nowhere like yard.
In and out.
In and out.
In and out. Where were you living at that time? In
Rockford.
Rockford. Oh, okay.
That's where I leave from and go in the state and I come right back.
Right back. Okay. So back in Jamaica now, 81 you say, right? This is the time when you started sitting in sessions with Tubby's, or that was before you left?
Before.
Before you left?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I guess that would be a continuation of that then.
Yeah, man.
So it's when you came back, early you build the sound.
All right, the sound start work on from 83, but never hit the road till 85.
Okay.
As REDMAN high power. What happened now? Certain place, I couldn't go in the house or go play. Certain place in the want me in it.
Sound not big enough.
Sound too big, man.
Sound too big?
Yeah, man. I play already and lick off a woman pot of fire off of the stove.
Oh.
And I give the woman 30,000 for her pot of soup. So thank you, sir.
Baseline a kick.
Eh?
Baseline a kick.
Yeah, 30 grand.
Oh yeah.
Baseline I lick my light at dim.
So question, was it the sound was built by Tubby's?
No. He was going to build a sound. I'm tell him, no worry. I'll buy some REDMAN. I'm get the Macintosh. I'm soup them.
Okay.
So them sound different from all Macintosh.
So who built the sound for you?
So, Tubby send me now to a man on a Greenwich farm named Eastman.
Okay.
I immediately make Tubby's box them.
Okay.
And Tubby said the front must be 45 inches. Follow him instruction and it worked.
And it worked.
Work, man.
Yeah, and I think now, Marlon now kind of put up
theme one and 10 to my own.
So Marlon did the engineering work and also
Yes.
the sound at the time.
Bad selector, you know.
Bad selector.
Bad selector, you know. Him, response, that great brother, yeah, man. At summer, man, when Carlton Livingston.
It's gonna be, okay.
I'm response to him career and with a brother your name again. Love bomb.
That Lone Ranger.
Lone Ranger. Him response to him.
Okay.
Them two man they just talk on him sound and night time.
Sir Daly.
Yes, man. Bad sound, man.
Okay, cool one. So Marlon was the first selector on REDMAN High Power.
Yes, I.
Question, REDMAN International now, which is a record label, was that created whilst you were in the States or is when you come back to Jamaica?
When we reach back.
When you reach back.
Organize. You understand?
And so one of the most prolific record labels of the 80s was created.
Yes.
And you were getting guidance now from the great
man.
Osborne.
Ruddock. Who taught me this? Never you be a follower, always be a leader. And it's cheaper to survive.
And I think I think it was Roots Radix was laying
yeah, my house band, Roots Radix.
And then eventually it became Steely and Clevie.
Yep. But remember now, Steely was the one that played the keyboard on Roots Radix.
Yeah, man, I know that much.
You understand?
So you know, I link up with the great King Tubby's, Sound a Bill. And you said the sound you started building the sound about 83.
Yeah.
You touch road and
Them are till 85, yeah.
And you're saying that some venues you couldn't get them.
No, them no want red money there. That the sound there. Come mash up my place.
So when your sound take on the road, 85, which were the big sounds in the space?
You have no casino. Bam, bam, I can go back. You have Afrique. Naya sound there. Ghetto, wait name, Grotto Swing.
Oh, I don't know that one.
Eh? Anna Town, that come from right at the corner, Slide Road and Anna Street.
Oh, what you say name?
Grotto Swing.
Grotto Swing. First I hear that.
And what is man name now? Soul Shop. That a real personality man, Bonnie Goodison.
Bonnie Goodison.
Was the man who owned Soul Shop.
Soul Shop.
Then you have Iris.
Iris, big sound that.
Big sound that. You understand?
And then time, Stone was about it?
Yeah man. Stone was about. A Stone we really play. No, down at King Street. After work jam every Wednesday, you know.
Oh.
For a train town locked down half day.
Right.
Yeah. No, people don't know the history of sound, you know. They can't talk to me. You understand?
Yeah. So which was the first event you remember stringing up jam rock to play?
All right. You have to go Redman High Power first.
Redman High Power. My apologies, sir.
Arcade. Pernell Charles Arcade. And Yellow Man have the remote mic out of Bustamante statue. I'm in that Church Street.
Newness.
Yeah, man.
So you bought remote mic business?
Yeah. For me buy my remote mic at $1,500, me pay for it.
US?
Yeah.
Which brand?
You know, me no remember the brand, but have
$1,500.
Yeah, $1,500. Yeah. And when the sound just come out, me have a big console, so you know.
Oh, okay. So it wasn't just a regular mixer?
Yeah, no, big.
Right, that means
big one ran the studio.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Mad thing, man. We come in everything well.
Yes.
Well tutor.
So,
you understand?
Apart from Daily now, who else was around the sound early days?
Early days now,
Bob Campbell was around it from the early days as well?
No, not as Redman.
Oh, okay.
And if we go Jam Rock now, Jam Rock Farm.
Yeah, before we even reach Jam Rock, man.
Yeah.
That's early. So Marlon, who and Marlon was running the sound before the name changed over?
Quenchade. Not the singer, you know.
Okay.
Quenchade from Rima.
Okay. Oh. And at that time now, it was Rubber Dub. So who were the early artists around the sound?
Well, me have the Tipper and Rapper them and...
Tipper and Rapper?
Yeah, man. Ashman.
Chicken Chest as well?
Chicken Chest. Leslie Thunder.
I think Don Angelo was...
No, John never did it.
Never did it?
No.
Okay.
Papa San did it one time too.
Papa San was there?
Yeah.
That was before its creation days?
That kind of creation about, man. Okay. But you know, just come past through and give me a strength.
But before one with the resident man, the man when he was a jammer, feed them machine.
Yeah.
Redman High Power, you said. A feed them machine. So I think Wayne Rankin used to.
Yeah, Wayne Rankin and Lower Culture.
And then they run from it was Redman.
Yeah, High Power, yeah, man. Them do the tune for name Circle Africa.
Are you them do Ratabala me for?
Yeah, man. Them do Ratabala me for Toby's first.
Oh, they did it for Toby's first?
Ratabala me.
So, and then they did it for you?
And then after now, them do Circle Africa for me.
Okay. Right. Penny Irie used to be on the sound as well?
Penny Irie, yeah. And Michael Irie. See one of the troops to talk about. From Super D, Michael Irie.
Oh. There used to be a Pink Panther around the sound?
No. Not to my knowledge.
Okay, probably just an answer I passed through as well. Frankie Paul just used to pass through and used to be a regular on the sound?
No, one time pass through. Him always busy.
Okay.
He may come out time out still.
Chicken Chest, Ashman,
Yeah,
Penny Irie,
yeah,
Wayne Rankin,
yeah,
Louis Culture,
yeah. Leslie Thunder.
Leslie Turner. We come and never used to there on the sound.
And also, you know, the round it too. Yeah, we come on and that's why I'm on Johnny P.
Johnny P.
So it's all come Sanchez come now and Cutty Ranks. Cutty Ranks
Ranks,
there.
they call Cutty Ranks.
Cutty Ranks there too.
So Sanchez was also a member of the Redman High Power family.
Yeah, yeah. For me have a Wednesday night thing.
Oh yeah?
Down the south.
Oh,
For you
south side.
yeah, you Metro up on Moore Street. And I say,
That Wednesday night.
them still and we stay down so. And we draw down everything. All of the artists them. All who you can think about. The Buru Bantan,
Everybody.
everybody did it. And I just so now we and Sanchez link up.
Yeah, so we can soon pick up Sanchez part of the story there, so see it? So now back then with Rubber Dub, when someone string up, you know, so and so used to go at it. You remember the first clash dance, basically Rubber Dub clash where the sound was involved in it?
Well, can't tell about me arrows.
Yeah, yeah.
Me arrows up a Success Club.
That the arrows did have Chaka Chamba them time there.
Yeah, and me a hackle arrows, you know, man. Hackle me, no, man. And arrows take one of my own tune me produce and kill me.
Yeah, it's true that.
Frankie Paul. This one harder than the rest. By special request, everything me do, me get me Grammy. That the man use and that me have my own tune. Never remember it?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Leng now keep a 4-sound clash. Up a cinema too. What is it, the Jammies?
Jamra.
No, Jammies Redman.
Right.
I don't remember creation, the African, with name African symbol.
Symbol, that are the Mobile sound.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, man. Father symbol, tell them about that.
I'm right. Now play some Gregory Isaac and I hot up the place. Jammies with the man them go pin my wax wire them and shout out the sound, lock me off.
Yeah.
And that $2,000 me I get for pillow here.
$2,000.
$2,000.
Them time the African.
I hold for money, you know. 2,000 them time I hold for money. You know. Oh, could I buy the whole of Jamaica?
It was you, Jammies, African symbol, which was the fourth song?
And creation.
And
Cinema too.
African symbol when they dance.
Jammies, man.
Jammies when they dance.
Jammies, man.
Tune or artist?
I'm a artist, man, and tune, you know.
Tune.
Remember my great Johnny Osborne there, you know.
The great Johnny Osborne for real.
Johnny Osborne kill anything, man.
Anything.
Anything. Bumpy Osborne.
The plates playing.
You understand?
Yeah.
When the man them I play doing them so far.
So why Jammies make them pin your box?
Eh?
Why you said Jammies make them pin your box?
Alright. Jammies, every one of him box them, he might ban round it, you know.
Make sure.
So they must use the command pin and shoot me the way I shot.
You know what pinning mean, man?
Yeah, man. Him do it already to me, you know. Gemini Club, you know.
So you said Jammies make man pin your box?
Yes, man.
Oh, we just get that.
Yeah, man. Get you out of the race.
Oh.
So that thing you
And
go.
you said he make them pin your box at Gemini.
Yeah, man.
Jammies again?
Yes, man.
So you're Jammies and Virgin?
We name James, I'm a virgin, but you don't know it,
You
man.
James and like James.
Yeah.
Some is proteges.
Yeah. What enough him fault? He's a real the man him take it up on him head.
You mentioned the Arrows dance.
Yeah.
You mentioned the 4-sound clash. There was that 1998 clash with Creation and Redman.
Out Central Village.
Central Village.
Central Village.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
How the dance go?
Who win the dancer, man? I win it big, man.
Son did that on Creation.
Eh?
Son was on Creation.
Yeah.
And Chicken Chest and Ashman them.
Yeah.
Take the dance?
Yeah, man. We juggle them, man. Juggle them.
Okay.
Juggle him,
So
juggle
it
him.
was more of a 45 dance than a Rubber Dub dance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything you call me, palm me ready.
You ready? There was another dance, I know not dead other dance you're doing a Father Redman, but you can correct me wrong. It was 1986, Terror One, Redman.
Barbican Road.
Rick got that kind of thing, Ricky's Terror.
Ricky's Terror.
From Metro Media,
Yeah.
I still call him Ricky Metro.
Ricky Metro,
You
yeah.
have
Yeah.
Wickerman, you have Wolfman. Them they're roughing out the night there.
But you know that Stitchy, Steele bring Stitchy to me, you know.
Yeah.
And Wolfman, you know. I said, hold him to you, you know.
So what happened?
Me no hold him.
Why not?
But me have major worries.
Bad DJ.
Yeah, man.
So how come you never lucky in City and Wolf?
Well, I saw them think you go more time, you know, sometime. You have so much to do.
Yeah, but them said the rule number one rule as a producer is that you voice everybody, man. Can you never,
Yeah.
You never,
I'm a voice all a major words, you know.
I never know say voice major.
Yes, man.
Which tune that?
Hunters Crossing, man.
That's crossing.
Bad tune, man.
Any tune major words about bad tune, bad DJ.
Bad. But when my DJ, you know, stand up around him, you know. Beat you all night, man. I'm Admiral be able to get it from, you know.
Oh.
Beat you all night. Now stand up against him.
In terms of rubber dub, before the song change over names, any other rubber dub dance where you remember where for whatever reason you want to tell us about, because history I try to look at it.
Rubber dub dance, me I try remember.
Which was the baddest rubber dub song in your mind back then?
Well, Arrows, you know.
Arrows?
For Tubby's is half of the scene.
Okay.
Tubby's half of the scene from 76.
Yeah?
Arrows, man.
Over Stereo One and Creation them and
Arrows are the daddy, man.
and Jammies.
Arrows.
Mm.
That Scorpion never ready from man.
Never ready from morning.
Nah, sir.
And Sassafras and the crew.
Yeah, you see, them days there, you know, rubber dub was the thing, you know, man.
Right.
Me love rubber dub dance, you know. And me always say, me la set up for rubber dub. For me, I dub them still. The other day, Trooper come check me and say, give me the dub them, no, man. I say, no worry, man. In June time, you get them. And so me have some nice dub.
Yeah. So Arrows was the song.
Arrows, man. Arrows was the song. In the 60s now, going into the 70s, Tubby's was the song.
Tubby's was a great giant at the time.
Tubby's dance curfew and the sound reach there.
Curfew.
Yeah, the dance curfew. How much truckload of man him take out of the dance? And the sound reach there. The sound reach there 2:30 and the dance curfew from 1 o'clock.
So why police had to put him on them?
Why?
Yeah,
Yeah, me no man. Bad man.
So when the dance has a
I remember when me I got the dance, you know. Me about 7, 8, you know. But me left from early and go hide. Yeah, man. And when me and my mother and my sister, me say come and dance. That's out of Gold Coast, out of 7 man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So when dance has a different set of man.
Yeah. And the way my mother I love dance, you know. After she get blind, you know. She still go dance, go win contest, you know.
Selecting contest?
Eh?
What kind of contest?
Dancing contest, man. Go short, man. Short, you know, 4 foot tall, you know, man.
What's her name? What was her name?
Iselin Lopez, man. Call her Miss Vera or Miss Little. You understand?
Wow.
She love dance.
Eventually, the song name changed.
Change.
Yeah. That is when Bob Campbell became a part of the team.
Because the song the park down on the bottom of the road.
Where you mean park?
Park!
Nah,
And I say, me done it.
Why?
Me just say, me can't bother so. Me see a posters. The 14th of February, 1988, and me say Jam Rock. So me say, wait, and need a new song again. Man, them say, you need to come, you know.
Okay, yeah.
The man, them sell out my box, them and build box, scoop and them something there.
Okay.
Oh, and when me got the dance tonight, no my sound to rat, it couple so it kick off fire.
Jamaican rockers.
Yeah, man.
Oh, see, Jam.
You usually play 7 nights a week, you know.
7 nights a week.
7 nights a week.
And a Marlon.
Yeah, man. And you me delegate. $2,500 a night.
And you tell them that 2,500 a whole.
What we are talking about, man?
So you tell me, say you're coming out.
Eh?
Something rich and.
Me coming out rich and leave poor.
But you don't sound like you don't make a whole heap of money for that. What you mean?
Can't make no money. You want no?
$2,000 a whole heap of money.
Yeah, but
me. 7 nights a week.
Me pay the man them good.
You pay one good.
Sometimes me get a spit, me get. Sometimes nothing.
Nothing.
But me just do it for the fun.
Sound system is a love, man.
Yeah. Since me not deal with sound, you know, I settle off, you know.
Yeah.
Because when you go play a people dance, organize, select, and oh God, man, too much.
Make sure.
Too much.
Tune and speaker,
Yeah, man.
and liquor, tweet and liquor.
When sound a play, you know, you just come up with a shorter birthday, you know.
Yeah?
And every weekend, my foot them swell up, for me active up and down. But me not really go dance and them things anymore, you know.
So like what you're talking about, so we know Chulups give me a lot of the history as it relates to the 90s and stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
And them thing there. But in terms of the sound now they are road again.
No, but the sound still active more time. Selected them go play.
Right, but the physical sound.
The sound, no.
So why you not build it back? Why you not build it over?
I rethink it.
You're rethinking.
Rethink it.
Yeah. But why something expensive still?
Yeah, it's expensive. It's expensive. Me now tell a lie.
Yeah.
Take money out of your pocket. For when them work, they want to pay. You don't go select our work for me and me look at me and them go dance and make money pull up. I got him say, Father, no worry pay me, you know, see something here.
Oh.
But the rest of them, cut your throat. You understand?
You would have also, so apart from Scars, I know that Bob Campbell and Richie Poole was a part of it.
Was a part of it.
Big names those.
Yes,
and then
man.
Chulups and Dope the Bar, so make them
name right the song.
As one of the great duos,
yeah.
selected duos in the history of the music.
Yep.
We know man like, we know Out was there for a while.
Out there, but
Pitiless make a name on his song.
yeah, him come there, what, the 22nd of January, 1999.
Oh, man, remember down to the date.
Yeah, man, me have a fox made, man.
Agatha's also made a name for himself around.
Yeah, I think him come the 2000.
Yeah.
You understand? I go up to a field place go play. And one of my youth, them say them how call a youth, make me hear him. And come, me approve him, you know?
You approve him?
Yeah, man. He's a man with the road. Oh, look, date for the sound.
Oh.
Powerful away, you know.
Powerful.
Yeah, man. When him go road, I come back, if you broke your money, I get money. I come back with money.
Come back with money.
He must write them receipt, bam, bam, bam. You understand?
Yeah, I think Terror Blacks was also a part of it.
Yeah. Black bodyguard, man.
Black bodyguard.
Yeah.
All of our greatness come true, man.
Yeah, man.
And
remember one Saturday, I play bass at this, I sent me here. Select them and I'm say, boss, just send no more, man. Make me alone go.
who?
Terror Blacks say, me I'll kill bass at this and come back and show you. Kill him, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. Kill bass at this, I sent me here. Was a good clasher, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Was a good clasher.
Jamrock also became one of the juggling
Yes,
machines. Because them run stone no foot hot back in the days.
Remember, we Paul look at me and say, Franny must see man lucky. You never see a man lucky like me, so.
Why am say that?
Change the sound name and the sound take off. House Leo was a place I couldn't go in and go play. And when I get for going to House Leo, and the woman who own House Leo keep the dance. And the sound of shit fight against when it came REDMAN.
Yeah.
You understand?
So there was conversation between you because I've learned that Bob Campbell was the person who was behind the name change. Was that discussion between you and him?
No, we don't know nothing.
You don't know nothing. We just accept it.
Yeah, man.
Jamrock.
Man, him say, "More you come and dance. Me I beg you for come." I say, "All right, me I'll come."
So big rubber dub sound become big juggling sound, big clashing sound.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Even
man.
though you're more a juggling sound, but you guys are involved in a lot of clashes.
Yes,
especially
man.
during the Trollops.
We not start the clash, you know. Make them start it.
You ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
You understand? Trust me.
What caused the sound to kind of fade away though? But
Well, all right.
what happened?
From Trollops getting a problem.
Oh, okay.
Then when them getting a problem now, me have to draw for Crazy Chris.
Okay.
That's the one to play upon Cool FM.
Cool. Mm-hmm.
And do a good thing till 2002. You understand? Do a good
Good run.
good run from about 95 to 2002.
Yeah.
You understand? Good youth.
But then after that now, I mean the sound was still playing, they have Ouch and Pitiless.
Yeah. Ah, God. Them back carry.
Them did that carry.
Yeah, man.
Until now, the sound kind of not really physically up on the road no more.
The last time I played was the 28th of February 2019. Round a grand spend. That was the last time the sound played.
Physical sound played.
And COVID come in the same time, place locked down.
Oh, so since COVID, after COVID, everybody should be talking.
Nah. But when the COVID come in, boy, the river come down for me bank to bank.
Bank to bank.
Bank to bank. See a Chinaman I buy some tune. Where never him sell even 100 copy. And the man say gold.
Gold.
Well, blood clean you, man.
Bank to bank.
Bank to bank, man. Man take her about 25 tune and a half of me. Right in the COVID time, they encourage that. Oh, Lord, man.
Like power music, man.
Yeah, man.
Vinyl buy them off?
Huh?
Vinyl buy them, man?
Nah, man.
Oh.
I give him the tracks them.
Okay.
And collect. Yeah, man.
Which artists them they do?
Well, me a manager to make artists. Me see a man a crew and I say, come man. One of them is a guy named Dave Bailey.
Dave Bailey.
Out of Florida. Sound like half pint, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. One of them, have, if my youth here, where name, regularly play Jara, man.
Freddy Krueger.
No, man, long time.
Ainsley.
Eh?
Ainsley.
Ainsley usually play REDMAN high power to you.
Ainsley used to play.
You
So Ainsley used to play jam rock
Yeah.
before him got Jara.
Could be. Find the right one of Soba in the park.
Oh. That's
Right
up
now,
the
my
road
turn.
there, so,
Yeah.
Me never know that.
Yeah.
I guess probably should be the interview Ainsley still.
That yard, where see Bob Campbell have,
Yeah.
that yard bus sound.
But sound. Because I think there was another sound at the location too.
Classic. But it was 3 sounds staying there, you know. REDMAN, I got Jam Rock, Classic, Stone Love.
So Stone Love you so never run a Torrington Bridge Stone
You
Love?
had around the Sato?
Oh, so kind of have more than one machine at the time?
No.
No?
Kind of one machine.
One machine?
One machine.
So it was between Torrington Bridge and...
Yeah.
And so...
Yeah. 3 sound. 3 top sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All the top sound them come through there. So Jaro. Yeah, man. That yard, they gotta keep some Tuesday night dance and Friday night dance. Black.
I don't know what dance actually used to keep them. I just think the sound and the bass there.
No, I just saw bus classic, you know, man. Bob Campbell father was a musician at Stroder one, you know.
Oh.
He gotta blow the trumpet.
Okay.
His name is Ska Campbell.
Ska Campbell.
Yeah, man. So that's how the music name. Can't play, you know, I tell a lie. Can't play.
Yeah, man. Eventually he moved on from jam rock to...
Yeah.
Alan's...
We still come play when we have certain date and so come here strength.
Okay.
You understand?
Where's Daly?
Them out, man.
Them out.
The man is upon the top of the Lisson Road, you know.
Okay.
What him kind of have a little hip problem, you know?
Chulup tell me that jam rock is the sweetest song you ever play. Me enough man to jam rock.
Yeah, man, sweet.
Outside of jam rock, what is the sweetest song you ever hear string up?
The sweetest sound of the world, yeah. Me that say, Travelers, you know.
Travelers. It's a chin sound.
Travelers.
Yeah, and I first
Sound
time
clean
listen to that,
too.
you know. Clean. Dub plate wise, you would have amassed many dub plates down the years. As Father Redman know all the artists them and something. And Chulup say a later used to run off the thing phone out of Arrows. A lot of the dub plates back in the days, yeah? Tell me 5 dub plates in the catalogue where you love more than anything. When you hear them they play their dance.
5 dub plate.
Yeah.
Ed Robinson. Knock on Evan Door. Bounty Killer, Colin Roach.
Oh, cool.
You know. Right?
Yes, sir.
Bounty Killer, Colin Roach. Bounty Killer, Pinchers, Riding West.
Riding West. Yeah.
Yeah. That's how we gone. Trey. Bojo. Wayne Wonder, Controversy.
Controversy. Mad.
You understand?
Yeah, we understand what. The 4.
And Bojo again, I have a close one yesterday.
You put an angel over.
You understand?
Keep strong. Which rhythm you enjoy cutting dub plates on the most?
Well, you call it the private.
The private.
I wish you would name the private.
Punani.
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 Which artist you enjoy cutting the most? Pan dub plate.
Bojo Bounty Killer.
Bojo Bounty. Which was your favorite class sound back in the days though? You then pay money for God dance or listen to that sound they play.
Yeah. Arrows, Mr. Man.
Arrows. Oh, yes, Arrows.
Arrows.
Which was your favorite juggling sound?
Favorite juggling sound otherwise from John Rock. I got Stone Love.
Stone Love. Stands alone.
Now I go leave out the old maestro.
Yeah, we understand, man.
Yeah, man.
We
I leave him
understand.
out.
Redman is, and you say Redman off camera, you tell me say it was White Man first before
Yeah,
Redman.
then
The
it go
name on the
Redman.
birth certificate is
So,
Hugh James or Redman. We reach on to Redman.
Anybody here called me White Man, know me from
A
your
long
kid.
time.
You understand?
Yeah.
The Red Man come in about 76. You understand? Trust me.
So how you get the Redman?
Now through my uncle, man.
Oh, okay, yes, a Redman.
In the Reds.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I guess your color too, car.
Yeah, I'm red out of cement company in bed.
Oh, okay.
He was a technician out there.
I was okay.
And them set up a 240 parliament, tell him say it now work and him go to go hold it. Fine. Tell him. That was it.
As I said, you came out of the school of arguably the most genius of all.
Yes, man.
geniuses, musically speaking.
Yes, man.
Osborne Ruddock.
Osborne Ruddock, man.
King Tubbies.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And you would have learned all of what you know as a producer
Yes.
by observing and working beside him.
Yeah, man.
What made you decide to go down the production route though? Because remember say him tell us that him a go produce
Yeah,
and
me
play
does.
sound, you know.
I just say, you know, I go do some production. And when I look and say, I have Greg Isaac have eyes to me, I say, but how we can't get Greg Isaac? I say, I'll get him for you, man. And I Greg have a good thing going.
Oh, okay.
Gregory just do a tune for a man. How come do the tune for me? And when he do the tune for me, he tell me, say, do it for you.
Yeah.
And through me around the place, me just go down at the place and tell him, say, when you come, tell him, say, you know no material. And hold your tune for 2 weeks and send my
Send me
own.
on the road.
You understand? Me young man is to chart a tune and it don't release.
Chart a tune and a release.
And it don't release.
Which tune that?
Eh?
Which tune?
I can't go tune him, let him know.
Let him know. I guess you let them know.
I'm a chart it and it don't release.
Yeah.
That's how powerful I was.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Which was the first song, and we made mention earlier that Roots Radix was a band that was laying your rhythms. Yeah? Which was the first artist you actually recorded as a producer?
Greg Isaac,
Father Tooth.
Chisholm Avenue.
She's a big tune.
Yeah.
Big tune.
Say, oh, what a curfew. That much is Avenue, you know. Josie walked to the mic stand, sending requests to man and man. Some are jumping, some tense. Yeah, man.
Chisholm Avenue.
Yeah.
Mad. And and some of the early artists that you work with, as you say, include the great Gregory Isaacs, Sugar Minot.
Sugar Man.
I think Sugar Minot did them a hold for you early out in the journey.
Yeah. And Philip Fraser.
Oh, your voice, Philip Fraser back then.
Yeah, Lico John.
Yeah, I know you work with Luka John.
Yeah, man.
Also, Frankie Paul, I think Frankie Paul did Slow Down for you.
Yeah, 2 albums. Slow. Yeah. But me tell a man, say Frankie Paul cannot sing a day. You have to take Frankie Paul out in bed 2 o'clock in the morning.
Them time voice right.
You have to go to Pineland them time, shut a beat at Pineland.
Or Pain and the Music Rest.
Yeah.
Oh. So you go film out in bed.
On time Channel 1.
Channel 1?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you get the best out time.
Best out time.
And some get slowed down. And me tell a man, say, no, because of my tune.
A Frankie Paul best
Are the
tune,
best tune that. Baby, I like when you're ready. When you're ready, hold on steady.
So Overseer and
Score, yeah.
All of them nice tunes. Slow Down a year, Frankie Paul tune.
My Frankie Paul.
That's that bad. I think Horace Martin did work with him.
Yeah, my schoolmate that. Liar. Schoolmate. All of we shots.
Admiral Tibet, I think Tibet did New Tactics for you.
Yeah, New Tactics.
Red Dragon did Ease Off earlier as well.
Yeah, man.
I was a Louis Culture and Wayne Rankin did Circle Africa.
Yeah.
And
Louis do a tune by himself. Renew your punani. Going to take a trip to Miami. You go renew your punani. Yeah, man. Yeah.
And those were some of the earlier songs. We're going to talk about some of the monster songs them now, right? And early out, you were working out of Channel 1.
Channel 1, yeah. And Tough Gang.
I think you also did some work at Music Works, Anchor.
No, yeah, well, the last set of work, no.
Anchor. But Channel 1 was...
Yeah.
And Soldier was the one who...
Yeah, man. We soul rest in peace.
Most of your recordings.
Yeah, Soldier.
Great Soldier.
Yeah, man.
What was it like working with a great man, though? What was it like working with Soldier?
Well, Soldier right at the corner, so right at the room there.
Yeah?
Believe you with me?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So when he passed, he was...
No.
Okay.
From the early time, yeah.
Oh. So like family.
And when we meet Soldier say, watch out, me do the work for you, buy me a car. And I just buy him a car, that's all. And I offer him go and run things. You understand? Yeah,
great studio, great engineer.
Pinchers. I was the first man that recorded Pinchers, you know.
You're the first man. I know him did. Blasted something.
No, blinking something.
Blinking something. Not blasted, blinking something. That was the first song you did for you?
Sit down on it.
Sit down on it at the son of Jammies.
Well, no. Him do it for me, then after I go do it for Jammies. Suppose me tell us a 3 stamp on me have to sit down on it. The way the tune sell. Yeah. What a Jammies won't get the credit?
A Jammies won't get the credit. My friend, when I said that, I know.
Yeah.
Because him do blinking something for you.
Yeah, him do sit down on it and hackle my body.
Yeah.
Hackle my body for mommy, hackle my body for daddy. Yeah. And him come back and do people of my country. Him answer half-pint greeting.
So that was an answer to greeting?
Yeah, answer greeting by saying, people of my country. You understand?
Yeah,
blinking something was like, I think, 1987.
1987.
And when him go up on Sunsplash, I said to him, say, yo, make that be a 3rd tune. And wait till it melt out, he might do that tune. You know, work away, you have that song. You understand?
Sit down on it.
Yeah,
man. I said, you know, Jammies true that, but never realized it.
Me first and do it. But that's how the music thing going on.
Back then?
Back then, you understand?
But you still sell yours?
Yeah, man, I won't still sell, man. You understand?
Yeah. Same rhythm?
No, different rhythm.
Different rhythm?
Different rhythm.
Boy, I tell you, we live and we learn.
And come now, I'm my first record, Sanchez.
Sanchez, which was the first one?
Lady
in Red.
And you know, send the half key.
Yeah?
In the half key and catch it back and pull it up at top, sample it back up at top and smooth it out.
Oh.
But I'm young, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You were the first person to record Father Kevin Jackson, Sanchez.
Yeah. First. And also Tonto Metro.
You first vice Tonto?
Flat belly man. You understand?
I understand that. I never know that.
Yeah, flat belly man. The man Sabili, big belly man. You understand?
Flat belly man.
Yeah.
Oh. And also with Sanchez, you have a #1 song.
Lady, old friends.
Old Friend.
But what me never like, true me come from the teaching of King Tubby's. Me never like the adapted song.
You never like the cover version type vibe?
No.
So you never want that song?
Can't make the money you want for
So
me.
you're not getting a percentage off of that?
Yeah, you not make the money you forget.
Oh.
Water down.
Water down.
So, me never like it.
So that is why you don't buy Sanchez more than that?
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah. Yeah, but look what that
If you
said.
realize, I haven't seen Sanchez in about 28 years.
Oh, yeah?
And he's out of Jamaica, yeah. Every time I call Sanchez, his wife say, what you need and blah, blah, boom, boom, so I just love it. You understand? Likewise, Flowagan to give me tune rerun.
We soon get around to Flowagan, man. We soon get around to Flowagan, man. We don't take a look at time and dribble go down there. So.
Dribble go down the line.
Yeah, so all friends with Sanchez. I think that is on the Dangerous Rhythm.
Dangerous, yeah.
And Dangerous Rhythm are your rhythm.
My person.
Because Conroy, Smith.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, that makes sense. And a Roots Radix like that?
No. Steele and
Clevey.
Steele, Clevey, Dalton, and Fox.
Yeah, and I think All Friends was a Phyllis Hyman cover, right?
Yeah.
Courtney Melody, My Lady. Now you're tune that.
And Future Jammy store.
My Lady.
Them dangerous, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Come in. Jaja.
All the music thing, man.
All right, Rapper Robert and Tippa Lee did not trouble away.
Yeah.
Big tune that.
But them first song when them do What a Galang.
What a galang. Are you first?
At time of the flood, big flood they go on a Clarendon.
Okay.
Them do the tune and fight. What a Galang, make you understand. Yeah, man.
And then they did not trouble away.
Then Trouble We.
Big tune that, Father.
Yeah, man.
Well, we didn't even tell you that. A big tune that.
Character #1, the 15th of December 1987.
15th of December 1987,
Yeah,
#1.
#1.
Are them only two tunes that Rapper Robert and Tippa Lee did with you?
You know some two, remember them, it's an album them doing about.
So the album?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I never know that. I not tell us I know that because I never know that.
Yeah.
So it was the single.
No.
What the name of the
Trouble We
album?
was a single.
Right, so what the name of the album that they did?
No Trouble We.
Oh, No Trouble We?
Yeah, man.
Oh. I learn anything in a father.
Yes, I am.
I think a history class book over there. Oh, it's Potty Roots. Probably Potty biggest tune.
Potty
when I
Roots.
release.
Aye.
Big tune.
Big tune.
But they go hard, father.
They go hard, man.
As I said that, most of them tunes they around 88. 88 was the year when you tied with Jammies for producer of the year.
88, yeah. Pull it out, man. 88.
Jammies are find them, I find them.
Yeah. Now rinse tune, man.
Rinse tune.
Now rinse.
When I release big tune.
Put
that.
out some tune, you see,
Yeah.
man.
You don't remember Wayne Palmer.
Wayne Palmer. Yeah.
Big tune that.
That was when I threw the Chinaman take tour.
Oh.
Yeah.
They say come down bank to bank.
Oh, yeah, talk about, man.
I hope him forward back. I know you have all the
there,
things on tape.
In there, but me not see him.
Oh, you don't see him yet, man. Him so link you.
Yeah.
Bank to bank again.
Just me.
Color Core with Clement Irie.
All right. That album, first week it come out, sell 100,000 copies.
100,000.
100,000 copies. The first week of release.
Record.
Yeah.
100,000.
Why? You have to buy 2 albums for mix the tune.
Oh, okay. I use it that way.
I get robbed big time.
Oh yeah?
Get robbed.
Who was distributing?
The distributor was a newcomer named Patrick Can.
Oh, my first man.
Them don't have tough gang link upon him. And I give him the album, I give him Trouble album, I give him about 5 albums. And he make him out tight, but I don't make nothing.
You don't make nothing?
£1,000 I get half fight.
Half a colour?
Yeah, 1,000 whole album. But I remember you have all Johnny Peel upon it, how you tight clothes and all them something there.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man. You have Carl Meeks upon it.
A youth man are...
Yeah. I want to know.
I want to know, okay.
Yeah.
And you want to make £1,000?
£1,000. And the first go 100,000 copy.
And just £1,000?
£1,000. And we get up a London, you know.
So you never have no discussion about that?
Well, the man a criminal, man. I'm a virgin still, you know. But it wasn't him. People might know about me in London.
Okay.
And the thing take off. Take off. I saw Greensleeve called me right away and me and Greensleeve start work. Me and Mr. Palmer start work.
Okay.
Not a Bella Rose, yeah.
Yeah. Enkel Irie did She. I think that pan tight clothes with him.
Yeah, pan tight clothes. She and him do old age.
Okay.
Never see him again.
Enkel?
Never see him again.
Why? What go on?
Me don't know. Never see Enkel Irie again. And she go number 2.
Number 2, yeah, I know that.
You understand?
Yeah?
Number 2. Me hot them time, the man.
Hot this year.
Yeah, man.
We talk about blinking something I do with Pinchers. Careless Whisper. Chiller You.
Oh, number 1
tune that.
Number 1 that too.
Are the only work that you and Chiller You do?
Nah, man. Then take a closer look in my pan tight clothes. Chiller You the pan.
Chiller You. Okay.
Yeah, man. Chiller You do about 9 songs for me.
Basically one whole album not further, man.
Yeah.
Heard about My Love that I call Meeks and Daddy Lily.
Yeah.
Big tune that.
Big tune. Have you ever heard about my love? Yeah, man.
Where them for? Carl Meeks.
Yeah.
Youth man, Carl Meeks.
Carl Meeks.
Them they are big tune, you know.
Big
we are talking about
tune,
the monster songs them now in our catalogue.
Yeah.
And I think one of the most successful songs in your catalogue is Dangerous. Conroy Smith.
Yeah, man, I'm a big tune that, man.
Are you a big tune that? So, and I think what helped that song was Nigel Glenn.
Nigel made the boxer. Yeah, man.
So he used to play that song as his intro for each fight.
Yeah.
So he could have people in some other places who don't hear the song.
Hear the song. Yeah.
Conroy. Which other song Conroy do for you?
Into about 4 more songs for me, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Me about the next one name, Give Me Jaja. Me give VP for release it while you never release it.
Conroy?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you wanted them to put it on the retrospective album?
Yeah, but
album. Oh, probably I need for the 2 version of that, man.
I'll call them, give them all do something.
Okay. Yes. And that song has been sampled a few times, well, that I know of.
Yeah, him the one
man sampled it.
Model for me.
Who?
Conrad Smith, model for me.
You're with him?
Yeah, model for me. It's only one tune I have never fit for your player, no. It's little twitch, Kid Ralph.
I mean, you said before, well, I've read where you said that you're not really doing the tune when I fit for
never
your
fit
play,
for your
so you're not make the money off right? So that tune that wasn't officially released?
Which one?
Kid Ralph.
Yes, man.
Okay.
But it's not fit for your player.
Okay.
After you know, so Kid Ralph thing, I mix up something.
Dangerous, right? Beenie Man sampled it in 2006. And a song called Undisputed.
That Cartel, it's sampled.
I get around to that, but no, Beanie sampled it, and Undisputed, and Cartel, and I think Cormiga, the person name, and a song named Dangerous in 2007. So the
Yeah.
question that I ask you with those samples now, were you contacted by the various people?
No, the publisher.
Oh, them link the publisher?
Yeah, the publisher
Okay.
did
And
it.
you give them clearance?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and you
Okay, so
understand?
business was
Yeah,
taken.
yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay. That me I ask if I man. Then now, in 1988, Flowagan, we run things.
Go number 1 the 15th of December 1988.
By the date of the year and the month, yeah. Number 1.
Number 1.
Big tune.
Big tune.
From
big
them
tune.
time till this time.
Yeah, big tune.
And will forever be big tune.
Big tune.
All right. In 2013, Miley Cyrus did We Can't Stop a Thing Fear song, right? And that song went number 2 on the Billboard, 8 times certified platinum, and the whole
Yeah.
works. This is my understanding of the story. You can correct me where I'm wrong. You initially thought about, or you attempted to sue.
I attempted, and it never work out.
Why never work out?
Publisher said, boy, them a waste money.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
So he come to me. He never bed a
Flowagan, that is.
Yeah, come
Okay.
to me and find them know when the tune release. Him no.
Right.
I may have to tell him. Anyhow, give me a paper to sign. I sign the paper, I never read it, you know. Would you believe I sign what the tune to him?
So far, you, James, that man when I in
A bright man like me make a novice call me.
Well, but this is what we were asked to say. As a man who have been doing
So-
music, well, I know, man, as a man that have been doing music business so long, done so much here with Green Sleeve, VP, all sort of
Yeah.
somebody bring something going to give you, and you not read it
Me
before
not
you.
read it, just sign it here. Me do something like that already, it cost me $6 million, you know.
Jamaican?
Eh?
Jamaican? Oh, yeah?
No read. I sign. And put me in a problem.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I think with Flowagan now, though. You say you signed the thing, right?
So from that, any time you go sign, me read for years, sir.
Right. That me think that wise.
You understand?
I think that is always wise. So Flowa now sued.
Yeah. And my niece called me and said, Uncle, for my niece is a FBI and she's a lawyer.
Okay.
So, Uncle, oh, you make Flowagan number 1. You are number 1, Flowagan is number 2. He not supposed to sue, you supposed to sue. Let me counter it. And Buju attack and Flowagan. And Buju say, yo, I'm not going to make Redman counter it, you know. Make sure you get the money you give him some food. Him say, I can't do Redman that. Man, get the money.
Oh, so Buju was involved in the conversation.
Yeah.
So you told him that you plan to counter sue.
Counter.
And the agreement was that whatever the settlement is,
Yeah.
he would give you something.
So, yeah.
But that wasn't the case. I think the
Not in
settlement
a buckle of water.
was in May. the settlement was in May of 2020. I think the lawsuit was filed in 2018. The settlement was May of 2020.
About 2017, I think.
Well, the research, okay, I mean, you involved, but let me say 2018. But long and short of that is that a settlement was reached and Flowagan gets some money. Flowagan tell me it's not all the money he gets still.
Get the money here.
He might get a
I
money.
must about 2 times you see him after that.
Yeah. I've read articles where you have spoken and he has spoken. Basically, what Flowa said, him is the amount of money that was being banded about in the street, and I'm not close to that.
Him not get so much money, but he get a food.
When he get a food. He's also saying that he's not really obligated to Redman because Redman is the lyrics Miley use and not the production. So I've read articles saying that. Also, he has gone even further and said, well, Redman never gave him $1 for the song, so anything he make, him deserve it.
How much it cost me for the song go number 1? 250,000.
Yeah. But I guess he must say if the song go number 1, you would have made by the money there.
Can't make it back.
No.
Can't make it back.
But him say up front you never give him the money.
No.
So what he make?
Can't get the money up front.
Can't get the money up front.
The agreement is do the tune me send it to number one.
Right. But even if the tune go number one, Father Redman, they're not supposed to get some money then after I go number one, man.
No, but
But
you
himself
know,
never get no money.
you know, sometimes I should be a show tune, you know.
Okay.
Me
So
tell
even
you,
though the tune
you know,
is
you
number
tell
one,
you
you
say,
say the tune
me
not
release,
money.
me chart a tune, and the tune I release.
Yeah, me remember the Ken Boot.
Me powerful that way there, you know.
Yeah. So what I must say is that I'm not obligated to give you no money because, and I'm not even, because I interviewed him after that, you know, but
Yeah.
it's a different interview. I read, it's something I read, what I must say. See? So, you and him never sit down after the judgment, the settlement.
No, sir.
No?
No, sir. 2 times never glimpse him after that. Come a Bujo, and me round at the backyard, and I come through the front door. And when him see me praise, I'm taking it up here, ale and powder house. He mail me and me there mail him. And I not beg him nothing. You understand? I talk to him about, I come up to a year and a half now.
That was in regards to the...
And him did that foreign, and him say, "Ma come check me when him come."
Okay.
I know. I
no.
call him back.
But question though, because I know that on the retrospective album, Rerun Things, his track is on it, that track is on it. So wouldn't you guys have had a conversation about that song being placed on that album, the
All right.
40-track album?
For my thing, eh?
Right.
All right. VP have to call him, and him go down and go sign paper. I make them know son of him tune, and my tune. But at the same time, he must clear it up with the publisher. For me signing on the tune to him.
Yes, right.
He need to sign it back over to
so
me.
when you had signed that thing when you're saying you signed over the song to him?
Yeah. That's why him could have talk so tough.
Cause him... okay.
You understand? He need to sign it over back for me.
So that hasn't happened yet?
Me have a budget on it and I can't release it.
Because of that same situation there?
You understand?
Oh, so it was VP that had conversation with him and not you?
Yeah, well, VP make me track him down and tell him to call him and link me.
Right.
And him going to them and sign the paper.
But you and him since the settlement now have a conversation?
No, sir.
So not even a call say, Father Redman, you know me get that thing but me can't give you.
Man, him go as far and say that money they blow. Well, him collect royalty or fight. He might give me something.
So a question, I'm not sure if you can answer still, but it's just, you know, out of curiosity. Is it a situation where it's just a one-off payment, or is it a situation where it's an ongoing thing?
Why? I don't know it go, but I know he don't get so much.
Yeah, okay.
For the statute of limitation, it got run out on it. You understand? Rough fire.
Yeah.
But such is life. We all learn by our mistake. A man to man is so unjust, you don't know who to trust. You understand?
But he must say, you are saying unjust, Father Redman, and he must say unjust to care, but he never give you the money either.
Anybody unjust is him. You may say the man don't know when the tune go number one. You understand?
Besides, you know say that work out to do, like, you know, things go on and it cause a split between, because I'm sure it's probably okay up to that point.
Yeah. You see, me tell them, you know, me's not a reducer. I am a producer.
Yeah.
I can't take a little man and carry him so. For me know the doors, you know, me know what to do. I match up my thing. You understand? So one time I called radio station, and the man asked me how me get on the line. Me have all the man them bump the line and put through my call.
Yeah.
Well, you're powerful, you know. Yeah.
But as it relates to the album though, everything is okay,
Yeah, man.
It's just that he not officially signed back over the song.
If you come sign it back over, bring paper, come and sign it back over and make it last Scotland Yard and straighten it out.
But you're not even talk so that got happen.
Eh?
But you're not even can you say?
Yeah, me not call him back here.
Oh, okay.
You don't want a brother thing, he say me I look something for big. Me alright. You understand? Trust me.
Yeah.
It pays to live good.
Pays to live
And
good.
you will prosper in life. You understand?
Yes.
No other thing that's going on.
And outside of the Flogan song, right? I know that the Conroy Smith song has been sampled a few times. Is there any other song in the catalogue people from overseas ever call about to say, you know, we want to do something with this?
Well, sometimes you go to your bed, you hope and pray, you know. Say somebody trouble your thing.
Somebody didn't have trouble. Call you and say we want to do something.
Yeah.
Probably a movie, probably a sample. You know what I think, go?
Couple weeks ago, Deli Ranks called me and I played Dangerous. And him say, Father Redman, are you heard tune this? I say, yeah. Him say, me go lick the rhythm, you know. I say, go on, man. Father, you don't leave me out.
Okay.
Don't leave me out. For me give him first #1 tune, you know. Pan tight clothes, you know. Ati. Yeah, man. And I give him a word. I say, come give me that tune. I sell it at #1.
Oh, yeah.
Me not play man. Me give him a word. If heaven and earth will pass away, my word not pass away.
Yeah,
my word is my word.
As I said, you were the first person who voiced Sanchez, but you have also played an important role in the emergence of Louis culture as well. You played a role in the emergence of Louis culture in the space as well.
Yes, man.
One of the greats of the greats.
Yeah, Louis know. So me did it.
You did it.
Him say, why him kind of joke to the camp? Me a pay a tip for a rapper, but I don't that you know.
And I pay him.
You work the tune, you know.
Yeah.
Man tune a chart. And plus me have all call me, so for him tune him a fly up in the chart.
Right.
You understand? I remember one day you know, look on Tiger, Mr. Tiger. Want a tune, him say, you have to talk to my manager. I say, all right, boss. Remember, you know. And me have the last talk. You go say, who that #1 this week? And me lick him a trouble with him get a #1.
Who was managing Tiger at the time?
Jammys.
Oh.
You understand?
Yeah,
but me bowl away there, you know. And me come to you and say, me know what to do. Me know me do's, you know.
You know your dues.
Me can't teach a man how to produce, you know.
Right.
But there's certain things me not going to divulge.
Why not?
No, can't do it.
You have to pass on the knowledge for
Can't do it. I mean, many way to kill a dog without put a rope around him neck, you know.
Yeah, man, but what I say, as a great man in this space, who would have learned from one of the greatest men
Yeah,
ever.
man.
So Father Toby's pass on the knowledge to you, so you pass on the knowledge to our next
Yeah,
man, and next man pass on the knowledge to our
yeah.
next man, and keep it good, Father.
No,
Redman,
that,
man.
in other words, that is like top secret.
Top secret. Trade secret.
I will be betraying some most honorable people. And I can't do that.
Can't do that.
I will keep a trump card and check.
All right, boss. You said that the most successful song would have been Dangerous with Conroy Smith. But in terms of album, what has been the most successful body of work you have released?
Well, you know, so me live to call VP from yesterday. I'll call him tomorrow. You understand? And check up where I go on. For me, I might look a source inside there.
Yeah, look a source inside.
I will call the boss.
Yeah.
I know who to call.
Yeah, but what I say, of all the albums that you would have released, you released only for albums on the years, right? Which one of them has done the best for you from a commercial perspective?
You have Cutty Ranks, Retreat.
Retreat. Oh.
Cutty Ranks, Retreat.
But never know the Retreat of your album.
Yeah, man.
But you just...
Cutty Ranks, yeah.
Yeah, I feel alright.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the favorite rhythm you have in your catalogue? That one that does nice.
Slow down one.
Slow down.
Tight clothes one that the Coloco.
Yeah, Coloco.
Dangerous.
Dangerous, I'm my rhythm in your catalogue.
And all the while, producer always a beg me rhythm. And me never go beg them a rhythm yet.
Oh, yeah.
You understand?
I understand, man.
Remember when I lay rhythm, you know? It's all 4 nights straight, you know. I work and artists get better and better. Musicians get better and better. You understand?
I understand, man.
There was once me just work up in wait name? Music Mountain.
Yeah, I remember see that in the research somewhere.
Yeah. I just saw it all start from.
Music Mountain.
Yeah. But Chris Stanley studio. Yeah. Trust me, man.
I trust you.
I've come a far way, man.
Yeah, what your favorite artist work with down the years? Who's your favorite artist to work with down there? You enjoy the studio sessions with the artists there?
Gregory and Ken both.
Gregory and Ken. Any particular reason? Any particular reason?
Well, them come good. You know who you spend money upon a show, Triller you.
What do you mean spend money upon him?
The man take them time on the throne, you know, man.
Oh, okay.
You understand? Gregory, Ken both, bam, bam. Match it up quick. And you know, Gregory, I make it right on the spot.
Right on the spot.
Yeah, man. Him do a tune for me named Opel Ride. You know that tune?
Yeah, man, I know Opel Ride.
Right, sir. Me I don't go, man, him deal with me righteous.
Yeah.
May his soul rest in peace.
Great, man.
Me have a call him name every day.
Every day?
Every day I call Tooth name, man.
Yes.
You understand?
I want some Sugar Mine at the fair?
Eh?
I want some Sugar Mine at the fair?
Album. In the pantai close to, you know. Don't distress it.
Right. What the name of Sugar album?
Dema Wolf. Dema Wolf.
Okay, so the name of the album is half of Dema Wolf. Okay,
Yeah. The intro.
album. Okay.
So you read. Dema Wolf.
I understand. You still do production work in your time? You still do the production work?
No, really, you know. Me just revamp something whenever I release. I'm miles a tune, man.
Miles a tune?
Yeah, man.
And you plan to release everything
on
tape?
Pan Kel Boot album. Him and his daughter. You have a tune pan it. Boys need girl, girl needs boy. That's the way it starts. Kim Boot.
So you plan to release that?
No, that release pan the album.
Release already?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so you say
But me I try to get VP for re-release again.
Okay.
You understand?
So I'm assuming too that you have a lot of things on tape when not released yet.
No, not release.
So where you wait for release the song then for? You can't make the money for the tape, you know?
Yeah. Good tune or dead, you know, man.
Yeah, man, but then can't.
I have quite a few, when me the tough. 20 tough.
20 tough.
Yeah. Find quite a few 20 tough for there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. Me have all pictures I wrap to, you know, release it up and answer, you know. Yeah, man.
What Father Redman, what me I say?
You see, when I lick a man rhythm,
yeah,
it not must be under standard. The standard are above.
But when me ask you, the song them when you have, the miles of song where you have on tape, they're not making the money on tape, you know?
No. Them good, man.
Them good.
Yeah, man, me take them off and put on what you call it, you know. Wait, name hard drive.
Hard drive.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Me line them up, man. Line them up.
Yeah.
Tie them ready, me can go so and whap them again.
Yeah. How many children?
Eat food and full my belly.
Yeah. How many children?
What me get? I get about 3.
About 3.
And they don't give me 2.
And then,
But me don't mind that still.
yeah.
Make somebody take up the expense.
But the reason why I ask you that though, is any of them, you know, following, you know, the music footstep?
The one that I follow it not there.
Okay.
In my grade from about 2002.
Okay.
Him are the big one.
The big one.
Him that follow it.
Yeah, because what we want to know is that, you know, because all of us are mortal beings and eventually, you know, at time
him are the one all of the artists them know.
No, okay. So in the event, whenever Father Redman pass on, he will be
man. Him are the man.
To
Him name and family, you know. CMU James.
CMU James.
All right.
Yeah, sweat teacher.
And when I know him get him son,
yeah.
And that's Hugh James the third. See?
I understand.
All right, sir.
So, what is thing there now, Father Hugh James happy and relax and not stress himself and
man.
Nah, not worry about.
Come a hard way, no, man.
Come a far way.
Yeah, man. Far and hard.
Far and hard.
Yeah. Far and hard.
Yeah.
You understand?
So the sound, you know, where you plan to sell out the equipment, eh?
Oh, really? When me done work on this, you know, when me done upstairs, downstairs, me I go.
Okay.
When me finish up this, you know, me think pan sound.
You think pan sound, eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
can't do too much thing one time,
Me
man.
I build sound still, so if you are donating my equipment, then
You build a sound?
yeah, man, I build a sound.
My you too late here now, man.
You feel so? You can't too late for
I will pass sound about it,
man. I
man.
will pass sound about one more add to it, man.
You understand?
Yeah.
You see, it's not really like a special thing. The man don't really take the money from me. You know.
Right.
The respect. But I do not take a man kindness for weakness.
Weakness, right.
You understand?
I'm still having family, I feel.
I do not take a... All right, you see alternatives? Me was the first man. Make alternatives so special.
Oh, yeah?
And it wasn't a studio. You know, my house by my son of foreign.
Oh, so you still have that dub plate there?
Yes, man.
A monster dub plate that one.
Yeah.
And a Redman I power in call like
No, Jamrock.
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 I don't remember hearing that Alton pan at Jamrock dance.
That was 1992. You understand?
A goal that
Yeah, man. And I see him here too. I do some jack radix, about 9 jacks radix.
goal them there.
I tell you, radix in at, you know. In that pan we run things. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah.
Your voice, Alton outside of the special?
No, I did too. But eventually him take sick.
Jaja.
You understand? The only artist, out of all the artists from the record, is only one called me a thief. John Holt.
The great John Holt.
Yes, I'm a thief. I rob him up.
Which song John do for you?
Album.
Album.
I'm a pay him for the album.
So oh yeah, rob him.
See me come in a Sonic Sound, and him say, I'm money, me come collect. You understand? Say, you see, you're no better than Clement, Dad, you know. You're the same thing, you know. Pay the man for him album. Give him 6,000 US. Yeah, man. When him up in years, and when you get 6,000 US of foreign, oh God, man. Him get all the money before him do the album.
Oh yeah. Oh.
You understand? All of my album them. I never pay Cutty Ranks.
For retreat.
But Frankie Paul, Ken Booth, when me Sugar Mine, Cultural Roots. I have an album with Cultural Roots. You know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, all of them. Pay them, man.
You pay them.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. When them come and Redman and Cash, you know, anytime you see me working, you see it's through the line long. From you come down Sliping Road and you see the line, you say, yo man, Redman at work. For when me know, say, don't just listen to the big artists. The small artists go and get big.
And that's why I ask you, how you never voice Stitchy and Wolfman?
What that?
Stitchy and Wolfman.
Boy. Even Lady Patcher.
Right.
I call me, bring her to me.
Oh yeah?
I'm me first record her.
You first record Patcher?
Yeah. My first record her.
And one of the things, as I said, that Father Redman, see him? Normally before I do interviews, I normally try as best as possible to familiarize myself with the person I interview. One of the things I kind of struggle to find is detailed accounts of your contribution to the music. So you say all of them things that you have to tell me, you need to get a publicist, man.
Yeah.
You get somebody to write up these things and cement them in our history.
Yeah, man.
We know them
You
out
see,
there, you know.
Me the man, you know, me very clever. Remember everything. Listen now.
So get somebody to write up your biography, man.
Listen to me. From the age of 3, I don't wear sneakers. I don't wear a jean. I don't wear a cap. Talk to me now.
Why?
Me not so see me myself and them something.
But you say you have a million gold chain and ring and chopper ring.
Why?
Where them gold chain there?
You know so one about I.
All the one you have left.
You wear them.
You
man.
get away.
Give them away.
Cat.
Me have some rings still.
Yeah, some rings.
You can't wear them things around here no more, man. Man, not chop you up and kill you, man.
But they're not your Father Redman, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
But you are going still. If you want to give me some of the money when you make down the years, me write up a biography for you, man. Me consider and
Trust
put and
me.
write it line for line.
I'm sharp, you know, man. Them can't test me, you know, the
But on a serious note though, a man who would have contributed so much greatness to the music need to have his contributions documented for future generation. I mean, somebody in the interview, when know, so there's a lot of stuff too where we don't talk about that you would have, you know, contributed to the music.
True.
So them things that need to be documented still.
True.
So think about it and get somebody. I miss me can write it for you.
Yeah. Like the whole saying, never you bite the hand that feed you.
You should do that.
If you bite the hand that feed you, you know, dog me and my supper and puss come eat your dinner.
Yeah. When you assess your journey in the music though, Father REDMAN, when you assess your contribution to the music, is there anything when you sit down and remember it give you a sense of gratitude, a sense of joy, you know, say yes, Father Hugh James from Anatone, I imagine.
Yeah.
What? Have you ever been given any form of national recognition award?
No, sir. And it made the force me said, but could I get it? But me not about the people.
You're not about the people.
Nah.
Yeah, but what would you say is the thing that, you know, musically speaking, make you feel proud for knowing so you would have been in this from in the 80s and you would have helped a lot of people to feed them family, a lot of people to put the roof over them head. Likewise yourself, is there anything when you look upon and say, yes, that makes me proud?
Yeah.
What is that?
Well, by helping people more time. You understand? And the thanks when them give you, man, you feel so great.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah. Is there anything you ever look back on and say, you know, I wish me did do that along the journey?
Yeah, man. More time I look on things, I feel now, you know. Make a whole mistake, you know.
Okay.
You understand? I correct all the problem. But it's only one problem I can't correct. I can't say it per year.
You can't say
I just leave it like that.
Okay.
Yeah, man, figure it out.
I think we probably talked about it earlier still. That good man.
No, that one I don't talk about at all.
That one I don't talk about.
I correct all the problems. I stopped drinking from 1985. Stopped smoke from the 31st of August, 4 o'clock one Saturday evening, 1979. Answer that.
You remember every day?
Yeah, man. Say me done.
Done.
You must control your destiny. Nobody knows control it to you. You must know when to move. I saw the thing set, you know.
How are you physically though? Can you look? I mean, when you have big man.
Little thing, that thing, and me not make it trouble.
Yeah, me realize that, man. I'm glad for that too, man.
Me not make it trouble.
Yeah.
For another 4 months' time, I'll be 68 years old. And it's a long journey. Long journey.
Yeah.
Go through hills and valleys and still survive.
Well, I've been through hills and valleys.
And if you go to the four corners of Jamaica and call REDMAN name, I don't think you have one somebody ever say something.
Love and respect, man.
Love and respect.
Love and respect.
It's how you care for people.
Love and
Look
respect.
out for people. You understand?
I never really hear nobody else say bad things about Father REDMAN.
No. Do good,
yeah,
and good will follow.
As a matter of fact, the only time ever your Father REDMAN name in any conversation outside of doing the music at the Flower Garden situation.
Yeah, I'm sure you, man.
And
trust me.
Yeah, you didn't work with anyone at any point in time? We anyone that?
We the one that in Tubby's camp. And Tubby's discovered we anyone.
Right.
Yeah.
So you did work with him?
No, I'm not working with him.
Okay.
You understand? Up to all yesterday, I'm going to check Tubby's wife.
How is she doing?
Yeah, when I check her, she wasn't there.
She wasn't there, okay.
She and a doctor.
Okay.
And the lady, me know, and leave something to the lady. And as she come, she call me and tell me many thanks.
Nice, man.
For I'm going to wait drive. And I said, no, I'm going to check that lady. And I did go up there.
Yeah, man.
She said she long to see me, for she not see me. Me not talk on phone every day.
Yes. Is there any artist who you never record where you wish you did do some work with?
Hold on, go.
Any artist who you never record that you wish you did do some work with?
Yeah, well, me never record. Me record Budri them early days. I never release it neither.
Okay.
I $200 the girl I cry for. Me never release it. You understand?
So is there anybody else where you never done work with where you think you could then have some chemistry and make some money with?
Michelle work in a Dennis Brown.
Dennis D. Brown. That would have been easy for you to.
Why Michelle work with him? Was my sister's first boyfriend.
Oh, it was a brother. Yeah. Okay.
When him died, him guitar was in our house.
Okay.
And she take it and give to one of him friend him. For him personal guitar.
Oh, money for that.
He should have called me and tell her, so hold the guitar. A price in the pan.
And what do you get for that?
Yeah. But I tell you, say, me and him close, but me still not take a man kindness.
Yeah, I understand.
I don't like that.
Great man in the space, man.
Yes.
You would have done immense work for the music, with the music, man.
Yeah, man.
We appreciate that, man.
And some good work, too.
I same thing that we mean, man. A good work we mean, man.
Good work.
Yeah. Because here we go on now. So a lot of the men that I've interviewed down the years, you would have been responsible for them at some point. The Cutty Ranks, the Louis Culture, all of them on them, the Triller use, you understand, the Trullops, all of them on them.
Yeah, man,
you understand? Yeah, I would have, it is things that you would have done. Flower gun, just the same. You understand? I never hold on reason with, what kind of rider?
New York. Talk to him the other day.
Him not come here?
Talk to him the other day.
Then love for hold on reason with Father Smith, you know.
Yo, he miserable when, man.
No, but we can't sit down and talk, man.
I go the out, you know, but...
Yeah. And Penny Irie again would have come through you and you would have done work with Puddy Roots. We interview Carl Meeks again.
Yeah. Daddy Lily.
We not interview Daddy Lily, but I some of the man when we interview. Liquor John.
Okay.
You understand what I say? What do the man them, man? Admiral Tibet, Father Ken Booth.
Yeah.
You would have played a role. So I say this is now, you would have helped to create the environment for me to be doing what me I do now. Because you'd have helped put them man out there so we can sit down and reason with them. Do you understand? So we appreciate that, man.
Yeah, man.
Greatness, man.
Miles of work, man. Miles of work.
Man. I appreciate what you have done with the music, Bigger Boss. And the miles of work where you still have, you didn't forget about some of them. And question, is it a situation where people can find your catalog on the digital play stores?
Yeah, man.
Apple Music and the Spotify and them places
yeah,
there.
Man.
Because some money can make run on them part there.
Run on them part there.
Yeah, man. So,
are
you still selling physical vinyls or is just streaming platform?
No, vinyl downstairs, man.
Of course you have vinyls downstairs.
That's some vinyl, man.
What you do with all of the dub plate and 45?
Yeah, they're downstairs, man.
Gold that, man.
Them downstairs.
Gold mine then, man.
Yeah.
Gold mine. So, Bigger Boss, go on.
Never all the vinyl is all major worries.
Major worries. Yeah, because major worries vibes here.
Yeah.
Gold that.
Anytime I go down, I'm going to find a copy and put on for you.
Yeah,
make you hear that show.
I would appreciate that. So, go and do the thing. I realize you have to do some work. And you tell me, say, since it's on, you're happy, you're less stressed.
Less stress, man.
Less stress.
But couldn't do that work and I deal it sound same time.
Right.
I have to give up one for the time being. You understand?
I understand.
I work, but I daytime, I have to dip on them. For you see, it's a big wall, I run from one corner, come straight round. But I get there.
I look funny and feel rich.
By the grace of the Almighty that put me on the face of this earth, yeah.
Bigger Boss. Great man.
Much love and respect.
Great man.
Much love.
Great man. I appreciate the opportunity.
Yes, man. Appreciate all that.
Sit down and reason with them, boss.
A long time it's happened.
A long time.
But nothing can happen before the time.
A time. And anytime you remember some more things where you think we need to know, call me phone, man. Pull up a
call
foot,
him, man. No worry, man.
Pull up a foot. And as I say, if get rid of some of so thing them, let me see.
No worry, man.
Let me see. You understand? Yeah. I'm going to be the first poor man to build Saudi still.
All right. I don't come in night poor. Come in night
good. Yeah.
Up.
But there are some poor still, but we know something take all if I want to really have it. You understand? It's stressing.
But
I just say love for it. I just say love. You understand? I think me I build it for the love and for make some money out of it.
Yeah.
You understand? So we'll see what go on.
You won't make a little thing, but no, what you feel it, man.
That's how we feel.
You understand?
Me take a thing, man. Me take a little thing, right?
Yeah.
And then the youth then can go and see something to you, sir. So there's that too. Just like how your youth then go and see.
Yeah.
Jamrock,
It's a man, oh, me drop it now. When like all them was, I come off a road. And I can't manage the light on the road at night time. I them know that I good idea about when night time they like them.
Well, you got telephone.
Me worthless.
Yeah.
So I come on my bed. And I say I come on my bed and go to bed.
Right.
For this man at 3 o'clock when I shut me, I say, oh, I go to bed 3 o'clock and I wake up at 5 o'clock.
You need some more rest, man.
Why? From in America, I wake up 5 o'clock and I feel them 40 odd years until now. 5 every morning, man. You understand?
You need to rest when you get a chance to, man.
Yeah, man.
That kind of help keep the thing going.
Rest, man.
You rest.
Get some day sleep at the time.
Oh, don't wrong with that. Don't wrong with that. Don't wrong with that.
Enjoy to the best of my ability.
Do it, man.
I have worked hard, my brother.
You have done that, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
And you deserve anything where, you know, God has blessed you with. And we
Yes, sir.
continue
Yes,
to bless
sir.
you with.
Yeah, man.
I'm hope some other man link up with some of my tune and
Yeah,
we
man.
put
Yeah,
them on
man.
in
Yeah,
place there.
I'll be around for a long while.
Long time.
God is good.
And that's so we're there. We're there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. We're there, man. Anybody out there who want to get in touch with you, for whatever reason,
Yeah.
musically speaking, how they find you? How them find you?
All the time,
Yeah, if anybody out there want to get in touch
number,
with you.
man.
The number, run it now.
Eh?
Run it, man.
876-387-5185.
That's 876.
Father Redman, that.
Run it again. 876.
876-387-5185. Yeah, man.
Father Hugh James.
Redman James.
Redman.
Yes, sir.
White man.
The middle name is Antonio.
Antonio.
But me just say Hugh Redman James.
Simple one.
I'll
too,
leave
man.
out the Antonio.
Appreciate this. Appreciate love this. And appreciate what the man has done here, sir.
Yes, sir.
Real giant in the space,
Oh, you
man.
talk about, man.
Real giant.
Simple
out
look,
there, man.
man.
Simple look, man, but a real musical maestro, man.
Who no know me? No know me.
Yes. And as when I leave you, get somebody to write out the biography for you, Anthony James.
All right, sir. You cannot. A great idea. Will you don't think upon it tonight?
Yes, man. Do it, man. Do it, man.
You think upon it tonight?
Big up yourself, great
Every
one.
time, every time.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Every time.
Teach them. Always make sure the message reach them.